up. Still, I don't know why they put that on the package. In this video, I was laying down because in the last video, my head was cut off like. So, let's open this! Yay! Okay, I got. You have this bag, just random bag, and pirate guy thing. Oh, this Mixel's named Nope Not 52 pieces. This is gonna be a pretty quick video. Not really. I guess it's gonna be kind of long. So let's open it. This video I'm not gonna shorten to get this took forever. And let's open it. Do it and all that fun stuff. And I don't like sitting down. I really just don't. So my friend Lee, not a bear. What am I talking about? Okay, I'm gonna be building it from up here. It's a little hard doing this. I'm doing this on my iPad, just so you know. So you're just not like press this button to do this stuff. But if you do have some advice for the iPad, if you're a fellow YouTuber, please give me some tips if you have more than 100 subscribers. Or at least 1,000 or something. Okay. You could even only have 100. Literally just 100. It's fine. I mean, I'm a nice guy. And again, don't ask about getting. Okay, we're gonna have some Minecraft videos. I can ask my mom her iPad for Minecraft. My mom personally doesn't even know what the meaning of Minecraft is. I kinda don't either, so I'm fine with that. So like, does anyone want to see my mom? There's your head.
Ooh, I look terrible.
Yeah. And if you're guessing, that was actually my mom who said that. It wasn't me. Because you can tell by my voice. Yeah, they're gonna do more videos. But I'm a new YouTuber. So don't be like, do this and do this. You will eventually do a lot of stuff. I don't know what else to say, really. None of you have actually commented about music, but I will add it because I think it's better with music. And my next video will be coming up soon. Probably not tomorrow, but I will promise you. I won't promise you that we're gonna have a video like next week or something. But I will tell you we will get a video. And this is quite early for a video, to be fair. So you should be happy. Oh, and you want to see what I'm building? Yes? Yes? Yes. Look, it's a mixture. I don't know what else to say about it, really. And yes, I do change my voices. It's a little hard for me not to. Just like Change your voice, Logan. Change your voice. While you live in your dreams, and use everything awesome, blah 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 blah. I do really like the Lego Movie. So if you don't like the Lego Movie, I still like the Lego Movie. Yes, don't be like, you're the worst YouTuber because you like the Lego Movie. I'm making him cross-eyed. Take your stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw below me that endless skyway. I saw before me that ribbon of highway. This land was made for you and me. But as I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw below me that baby bubble, that baby booby, and my booby. This land was made for you and me, mostly everyone that subscribes. Subscribe, like, comment, and dance. You don't have to do the last thing, dance. I don't know why. I used to not like dancing, but now I love it. Love it. You don't like dancing? How about other people who don't like this video like? Other people who like this video like. How about that? So it'll be fair. Right? That's fair. Leave down in the comments. And any little thing that isn't bad, I totally did on purpose. I don't know. I just like people saying good things about me. They say bad things. Like it. I don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay. This Mixel looks super derpy on one side. This side, not that bad. Not that bad on derpiness. But it does kind of look derpy. Just kind of. If you don't know what derpy means, I don't know kind of that much about derpy. So, yeah. Fine if you don't know what derpy means, I don't even know it. To be fair, so look so derpy. What does derpy mean? Someone tell me that in the comments. You know what derpy means. Don't. I don't know. We are gonna make more Mixel videos. It looks like I'm done, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna build something with the extra pieces and meet you back. And I'm guessing 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. 50, 52. So I am going to make a very cool thing, Orbitron's Max. You see it? Right there. I just need one more Mixel. And I think you'll like it. And I just popped off its head. It's gonna be a long video. Look, it's a Mixel. I can change its head. Change your head. Why is it not changing its head? It finally changed its head. Let's go fix it. Its head fall off. Its head is too long. Its head's too long. uh, 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 blah, 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 blah.